Hi, Miss Marilyn. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, my name is Marilyn Velasquez Muirong. I'm 40 years old and I am from Pampanga, Philippines.
What is your status, ma'am?
I do have a live-in partner.
Okay. Do you have any kids?
I have one daughter and she's 13 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have three siblings.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm a graduate of Hotel and Restaurant Management in Lyceum University of the Philippines.
Do you have any work experience abroad?
I have worked in China for 5 years and 7 months. I I take care of 2 years old and 5 years old. My primary job is English tutor, accompanying them with their other activities and teaching them how to be independent.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a jolly person, friendly, and I'm a kind of person that willing to learn new things and new experiences.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, I don't have.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, not yet.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I know that uh, my family needs more financial and it will help my family's financial situation.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea how could you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will stay calm and still treat them with respect.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Um, I would be more grateful for this, considering my application, and uh, I will do my best to work in your family, especially with your kids. And that's all. Thank you.